What the hell just happened? What is this absolute meltdown, bro? Do you want to see it? I don't think you can handle the sauce, buddy. Okay, let me just show you. There you have it, lads. We made about 71k today. Absolute monster of a trade. Alright, we are in right now. You know what I'm saying? Finally, boy. A good old trading opportunity. Big man thing, yeah? So what happened right here was that you can see we just got a market shift, right? Where GJ pretty much shifted bearish, right? The sentiment of the market has shifted from bullish to bearish. So right now we are trying to ride this wave to the downside, all right? So yeah, you can see once price pretty much blast right through this last higher low, it pretty much gave me confirmation that I should be looking for sales, right? Because like I said, order flow has shifted. So if I went down to the 15-minute time frame, you can see this is pretty much the last 15-minute lower high, right? So this is the swing range that we are playing within on the 15-minute time frame itself. Swing high, swing low. And then what happened was that I pretty much identified that price is part of this supply chain that we have right here. You can see price mitigated its previous supply. Pull back. It failed to take out this low to create a new lower low though, right? Which means that it needs more liquidity, right? So where is it going to get that liquidity from, right? You can see it generates some liquidity over here at this lower high right here. Once again, inducing all the retail traders to enter for a sell right here, just for them to place their stop loss above these highs right here. Later on, what happened? Price pushed to the upside, swept those highs before we got price pushing to the downside. Okay, when this actually happened, I was like, cool. We got supply chain over here, and then we got a new supply zone that swept liquidity being formed right here. So I was very, very tempted to enter for a sell right here, but I know that, you know what, Brad? Patience is key, right? You gotta be patient to get the best entry, right? So I was like, okay, cool. You know what? I'm just gonna be zen. I'm just gonna do my own thing. I'm never gonna look at my charts at all. So I place a sell limit order right here at the edge of the zone itself, at the edge of this supply zone that swept liquidity, right? So yeah, we just got tapped into the trade a few minutes ago, right? So let me just see how much we are up right now. Up about 4k at the moment, right? 5k actually, right? Nothing too crazy. Just about 5k right now at the moment. A boom, a boom, a boom, a boom, boom, boom. Ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, boom, boom. There we have it. Guess what? Man, I love trading the overlap from London and New York, man. Like, that's always the best time to trade, in my opinion. Like, this overlap where there's pockets of liquidity, you know, just liquidating all the retail noobs, you know. And you can see we are pretty much just targeting like this next 15-minute demand right here, and we're placing our stop loss above the protected high right here that swept liquidity, also above this supply zone, right? Which makes sense, right? Because that's the price point that invalidates this trade idea itself. So right now, by shorting over here, I'm expecting price to come down and take out this low, right? To confirm to me that this fractal market shift is indeed valid. And right now, we're about to shift back to the downside, and this could be like a new lower high being formed inside this entire bearish structure that we have on the higher time frames itself, right? So that's pretty much my assumption. Now listen guys, a lot of you think that trading is about predicting the future. But real professional traders know that it's actually about responding to the present without flinching. So right now, I'm up around 5k at the moment, but you can see I'm not over here celebrating and shopping for Nike sneakers or that new Rolex. No, because I didn't come here to feel excited. I came here to feel nothing. The edge isn't about the setup. The edge isn't about the strategy. Motherfucker, the edge is you. If you can remain fully present, emotionally neutral, doing what the data says, not what your ego wants, then you have mastered the edge. Now, the hardest part of trading isn't losing, it's winning and still walking away. It's not letting your brain trick you into thinking that you are invincible. It's not taking just one more trade because you feel like you're on a lucky streak. It's about exercising moderation and knowing when enough is enough. And that is generally where 99% of traders fall apart. They can't handle their own success because their success leads to complacency, and then their ego leads to their downfall. That's the difference between a gambler and a professional. A gambler gets high on adrenaline, the dopamine rush from scalping. A professional gets paid. Cash, baby. Yo, what just happened? Massive drop, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. I told you guys, man, like patience is the name of the game. Sometimes you just gotta wait for the right setups, and when they come, they come. Why are you guys chasing price, bro? Look at me. Look at how zen I am, bro. I'm cool. I'm up about 25k at the moment, right? It is what it is. Bro, honestly, this pretty much just validate our trade ideal, right? This pretty much tell me that supply is indeed taking control of the market and price is just going to create like a new low right here. And I can even expect price to just collapse past our TP and come down into this area and take out this low and just come all the way down here. You know what? I'm just gonna set my TP right here. All right, so this will be a quick low 1:7.8. Bro, what is going on? Let me see. Do we have news today or what? Bro, we don't even have news, bro. What is going on? Bro, we don't even have news, bro. What is going on, bro? Man, this is crazy shit, bro. Big man thing, yeah? Shout out to the LGBT PS5 HDMI. Bro, this is nuts. It's been so long since I see such a huge push. Man, it feels so good, bro. It feels so good. Bro, I'm telling you right now. Yo, look at this shit. I'm up 30k right now at the moment. And you know what's crazy? This isn't even about the money anymore. It's about what this trade represents. Clarity, precision, patience. Now, bear in mind that I didn't rush into this trade whatsoever. I didn't trade on Monday. I didn't trade on Tuesday. I waited days. I passed on setups that were like okay and medium probability so that I could catch like an incredibly high probability setup just like this. And now this one clean trade will probably pay me more than what most people make in years. Bro, this is a crazy drop right now, bro. Let me just make sure that my take profit is set, because the last thing I want to happen is forgetting to set TP and then price starts reversing against you. All right, let me just set my TP real quick. Let me just check that my TP is set before I get back to the raw talk with you all. 196.3. 196.3 is it. Right, so you can see, like I said, pretty much expecting price to just take out this low right here. But you know, look at this absolute meltdown. Bro, we literally got the best entry, right? If not, one of the best entry. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Bro, this is a crazy setup right here, bro. Big man things. Now, like I said, guys, the real flex here isn't the PNL. It isn't the fact that I'm up 40k at the moment. It's the restraint. It's the hours that I spent journaling and backtesting. It's the emotional reps that I put in when I was losing. Remember, trading isn't just about pressing buy and sell buttons. It's about who you become when no one's watching. Alright, so right now it's pulling back right now. And you can see, I'm still not panicking. Because I already did my job. I already managed my risk. I already set my stop loss. I already decided how much I was willing to give to the market if I was wrong. And now I simply let the edge play out. And trust me guys, this is the part where so many traders mess up. They start seeing price pull back and then they start doubting everything and they start moving their stop loss. They start exiting early and they self-sabotage. Oh no. All because they haven't confronted their inner demons. All because they lack structure. All because they can't stay economically rational and logical. Bro, look at this shit. It's still dropping. Oh my days. Bro, just keeps dropping, bro. Just don't ever stop dropping. Bro, this could be like one of the fastest TP ever. Oh my god, look at this straight push. It's so satisfying to watch the selling pressure just fucking absolutely crushing in the markets right now. Obviously, like I said, price is gonna pull back, right? It's gonna do its thing right now. I might, walk away with like a 10k loss after all of this. I might get stopped out, right? Or maybe price might reverse and he might take profit. Either way, man, I'm good, right? Like I said, I don't let fear or greed take control of me whatsoever. I've done my preparation, I've done my research, and now it's just the time to trust the analysis and just let it do its thing, like it's like set and forget, my friend. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for dinner right now, and then let's see how this plays out, right? I'm 100% certain the price is gonna hit my TP within the next 1 hour or so, or even within like the next 30 minutes, right? There's not a single ounce of doubt within me whatsoever. But yeah, like I said, now it's just about knowing when to walk away, and then when we come back, we got a little catching, baby. Okay, Brad, please don't jinx it. Okay, Brad, please don't jinx it. Bro, there's so many times where I jinx it, and then price just fucking like just, for some miraculously reason, it just reversed and hit by stop loss, even though I was up like 50k, okay? So I'm not gonna jinx it whatsoever, alright? Shut up. Bye. Yo, what the hell just happened? What is absolute meltdown, bro? So I just got back from dinner, and let me just look at the profits real quick, yeah? Holy shit, that's a big boy day. Bro, this is a big boy day. Oh my god, price is still crashing right now. Bro, do you want to see it? I don't think you can handle the sauce, buddy. Okay, let me just show you. There you have it, lads. We made about 71k today. Absolute monster of a trade. You can see we lost like 1.1k just now. You know what happened? I wanted to enter for a sell, right? But then I clicked buy accidentally. And by the time I closed it, it was already like fucking down 2k. Right? But whatever, man. We made 71k today, lads. 71k. Big boy trade. Dude, this makes June worth it. I literally went through hell in June. We literally lost 3 trades. We won 2. And then we made about 28k in June, right? And quite frankly put, the reason why I didn't trade much in June is so that I can really preserve my capital for good opportunities just like this, right? So now that we are out of June, right, the market conditions are getting a little bit better, a little bit more volatile, as you can see just now. But yeah, son, guess what, son? Daddy's home, baby.